Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this 26-inch body wave lace frontal wig. So if you would like to see how this was done, continue watching. Also, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, let's get into this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
All right, first let's get into the packaging. I think it is so cute, the box. This here is sponsored by Yolova Hair Company. Inside the bag, I received a wig cap, which I'm using today for my install, a pair of lashes, and a pair of tweezers. And I use the tweezers to pluck my lace frontal wig. So first thing, I'm going to put my stocking cap on because I am doing the bald cap method. So I have to melt this bald cap into my skin. So I'm going to use my Gots to Be freeze spray, and you're going to cut out your ears so that your stocking cap is laying flat. You're going to use your blow dryer to make sure the Gots to Be freeze spray is dry, or whatever glue that you're using. You want to make sure it's dry before you start cutting. So then once it's dry, I'm going to take my razor and start cutting at the stocking cap. Be careful. I cannot say this enough. Be extra careful because you do not want to cut yourself. It does hurt. I did cut my forehead today, and let me tell you something. It hurt and it wouldn't stop bleeding. So just be extra careful when doing this step and make sure you cut it enough. There's no extra pieces sticking out because then it's not melted and it's not going to look right when you put your wig on. I'm going to take my foundation and place it over my wig cap so that the wig can blend in good and everything is going together. This wig is 180% density, 26-inch body wave wig. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you. I plucked. First of all, the wig was pre-plucked, so I didn't even have to go crazy with the plucking. I plucked the wig. I did the bleaching of the knots. Everything was a piece of cake. The hair is nice and soft. It is very full and very long. I love it. So guys, let me tell you right now, if you like this wig or would like to check out this hair company, check out my description box. I have all of their information down below, and there's also a discount code that you can use, KIKIJ, to get some coins taken off. And yeah, you cannot beat that. So sorry guys, I had a little interruption. My baby did not want to stay still. He was not feeling it, so I had to stop so many times to record this video. It was a whole process. Oh my gosh. I do have a video coming soon about my pregnancy journey, so stay tuned for that. But yes, I'm going to place the wig on and I'm going to cut it into sections. I'm applying my Ghost Bond glue. 1 dot on the stocking cap, 1 dot on my actual skin. You're going to let it melt clear before you place your lace down, because if not, you're going to see the white through the lace, and that's not cute. So once that's done, I'm going to cut my ear tabs. Be careful with that as well, because you don't want to cut too much and then the wig is not going to fit correctly, or when you're laying it, it's just not going to go right. So just be careful when you're doing your ear tabs. Another thing, as you can see, I forgot to cut the lace in the back, so I had to end up cutting that off. So yeah, you can cut that off before you put the wig on. So now I'm taking my razor and I am cutting the lace off. So yeah, I was very nervous about this part. I did notice that there was still extra lace there that needed to be cut off. So before somebody can say anything about there's still lace showing, I did go back and cut that extra lace off, so the wig looked better after that was cut off. The black mark that's on my forehead is so that I can make sure the part was in the center of my head. So yes, now I'm going to cut out my baby hairs. Let me tell you, I am not a pro when it comes to baby hairs. I have to finish practicing so I can get good at doing baby hairs, because I suck. So I had to end up doing this off the camera because I was struggling. So I'm using my edge booster stick to lay my flyaways and to make sure that when I use my hot comb, my wig is nice and flat, because you do not want no bumpy looking wig. So you want to make sure your hot comb is on and you get that wig as flat as you can. So that is what I am doing right here, and getting my wig to where I like it. So that's what I'm doing right here. And as you can see, I have the elastic strap on my head to melt my lace down even more. Show you guys this cordless curling iron that I received from this company called Yontex. I will leave the information about this curling iron in the description box below, just in case you guys want to purchase it. But it's cordless. You have the little charger so that you can charge it. It is perfect for your baby hairs. I am going to use it today for my baby hairs, so you will see how my baby hairs come out when I'm using this. But yes, I think it's very cute, and it does get very hot. So if you do get it, be careful. Curling wand to curl my hair. The curls did hold. The hair did very good with heat. So like, I can't complain. And even when I brushed the wig, I had like minimal shedding, but that's to be expected. But other than that, I must say this hair is very nice. I do like it. The lace was good. It wasn't rough. It wasn't cheap. Like, I love this hair color. This is my signature color. Whenever I used to get weaves done, I always made sure I had my hairstylist dye my hair this color. So this was just perfect for me. Yes, while I'm curling my hair, I am jamming to my music to get the time done, because let me tell y'all, today was rough. Between the baby and Instacart, I had to stop 1,000 times. Then the damn battery died on the camera, so I had to stop and charge that. So I took the kids outside and we walked around with the baby and the dog. And then I came back like, all right, let me finish this hair. It took me hours to do this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, because let me tell y'all, your girl was over it, but I refused to give up. So I made sure I got it done. Who knew that trying to record videos with the newborn would be so hard? But honey, I learned today it was a struggle. So I don't know, but I gotta get it in order, because I got some more videos I need to do. I need to get back on my stuff, because I was slacking through my whole pregnancy. But a video will be coming soon, telling you guys everything about my pregnancy journey. So yeah, stay tuned for that. You see those curls? The curls came out beautiful. I love this wig so much, guys. You just don't know. Especially the color. The color got me. The length got me. Like, this wig is just so bomb. So yeah, you can see it came out very good. And I'm going to do my baby hairs, which I'm sorry, I have to do it off camera because I suck when it comes to doing baby hairs. And yeah, I was struggling. So look at how this little curling iron is going to curl my baby hairs. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make it clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. One trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in it, just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Finally, my install is done. Look at those curls. Look at this wig, guys. It came out so nice. My baby hairs came out all right, but I will get better at it. I'm going to keep practicing. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys. And yeah, you already know. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed. Bye, guys. Oh, no. What the hell am I doing? If you guys haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you're going to be purchasing this wig or any other wig from this hair company. Or if you're getting the curling iron, let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.